question for you. What would you do if you had a pair of train horns known to be the loudest train horns in the world?